Welcome to the USA English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here. Let's practice together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Erika's English Daily, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Erika.
Hi, Erika. Hi, everyone. I'm Marco. How are you doing today, Erika?
I'm really happy today, thanks. I took a walk this morning. It was lovely. What about you, Marco?
I'm okay. A bit tired. I stayed up too late last night.
Oh, Marco, what were you doing?
I was watching an English movie with subtitles.
Ah, subtitles. The text at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, the English words at the bottom. That's good English practice, right?
Absolutely. But now you're tired.
That's the problem with good movies. Just one more episode.
I totally understand. Okay, Marco, today we have a very important topic.
Really? What is it?
Today, we're talking about your brain.
My brain? Is something wrong with it?
No, your brain is fine. Don't worry. We're talking about how to train your brain to think in English.
Think in English? That sounds really hard.
It sounds hard, but it's not impossible. And I have some easy tips for you.
I like easy tips.
I know you do.
But honestly, Erika, can I really learn to think in English? Is it truly possible?
Yes, it's very possible. Many people do it. It takes time, but it's possible.
How long does it take?
It's different for everyone, but if you practice every day, you'll notice a change. Maybe in 1 month, maybe 2.
1 or 2 months? That's not too long.
No, and every day it gets a little easier.
Okay, I feel more confident now.
Good. That's the right attitude. Confident and ready. But before we start, do we have a request for our listeners? Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button and share this episode with friends and family who are learning English. Thank you so much. It really helps us. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's talk about your brain. My favorite topic.
Erika, let me ask you something.
Sure.
When you speak English, what happens in your head first?
I think in my native language. I build the sentence there, then I translate it.
Ah, I see. You think first, then translate.
Yes. And then the English words come out wrong or slowly or I forget them.
That's a very common problem. Many learners do that. They think in their own language and then translate.
Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it's slow and it makes your brain work twice as hard.
Twice the work. No wonder I get tired.
Exactly. And sometimes the translation isn't even correct.
Yes, my sentences often sound strange or wrong.
So our goal today is simple. Stop translating. Think directly in English.
That's the dream.
Yes. So let's help your brain work one time. Think in English, speak in English.
That sounds much better, but how?
I have 3 tips for you today.
3 tips. I'm ready.
Tip number 1, think in small sentences.
Small sentences.
Yes, very small. For example, right now, what are you doing?
I am sitting. I am sitting on a chair.
Perfect. That's a small English sentence. Simple and easy.
Oh, that is very simple.
You don't need long, complicated sentences, just a small sentence in English.
So I just say what I see and what I do.
Exactly. For example, when you wake up in the morning, what do you think?
I am tired.
Yes, perfect. That's English. Thinking in English.
Okay, so short sentences, easy words. That's tip 1. I like it. It's not scary. Let me try another one. The sun is bright. I feel warm.
Yes, perfect. 2 small sentences, 2 English thoughts. Easy.
It's like a photo, but with words.
I love that. A word photo. Simple, clear, beautiful.
I can do this anywhere. On the bus, in the park, at home.
Yes, on the bus. Try it.
The bus is full. People are standing. I have a seat. I'm lucky.
Perfect, Marco. That's wonderful.
Thanks. I'm a poet, an English poet on the bus. This is fun.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels. One small sentence at a time.
One small sentence. I can do that.
Okay, tip number 2.
What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input?
Input is English that goes into your brain. You listen to English, you read English.
Like this podcast.
Exactly. You listen to us, English goes into your brain.
So I'm doing input right now. And our listeners too.
Yes. Input can be many things. Songs, movies, simple books, like children's books.
I like children's books. The pictures are nice.
Yes, the pictures help, and the language is simple, clear, and easy.
So the more I listen and read, the more my brain learns English.
Exactly. Your brain hears English again and again, and slowly it starts to feel normal, like music. When you hear a song many times, you know all the words.
Perfect example. Input is music for my brain.
And there's one more thing about input: shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Not exactly. Shadowing means you listen to English and then repeat it right after. You copy the words, the sounds, the rhythm.
So I listen to someone speak, then I say the same words, like an echo.
Yes. Listen, then pause, then repeat.
So our listeners can practice shadowing with us right now.
Yes. Hello, listeners. Try it. Repeat after us.
That sounds fun, and it's good for my mouth. It learns the sounds, and words become easier to say.
Exactly. Okay, tip number 3.
What is tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is output.
Output.
Output is English that comes out of your brain. You speak English, you write English.
So input is in, output is out.
Yes, very good. Easy to remember.
But is input alone not enough?
No, you can listen to English for years, but if you never speak, you cannot speak.
That's sad but true. So I need to use the English I learn. I need to speak it.
Yes,
But how do I speak if I have nobody to talk to?
good question. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Maybe, but you will learn English.
That's a good trade.
Talk to yourself. It's great practice. No pressure, nobody watching, nobody judging.
So I can make mistakes and nobody cares.
Exactly. Make mistakes, try again, make more mistakes. Your brain is practicing.
Okay, I'll talk to myself at home in English.
Perfect. For example, you're in the kitchen making coffee.
I love coffee.
I know. So you say in English, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. I'm a little hungry. Maybe I'll make toast.
That's like a morning radio show, but only for me.
Yes, your own English radio show in your kitchen.
Welcome to Marco's Kitchen. Today we're making coffee. It's a beautiful morning.
Perfect. You can also describe what you see. Look around the room right now, Marco.
I see a table. I see a window. The sky is blue. There's a tree outside. The tree is green.
Yes, that's output. Simple, natural English coming out of you.
It's easy when I think of it like that.
You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to speak and try.
And my brain learns from trying.
Exactly. Every time you try, your brain gets stronger.
I can do that. Simple sentences about what I'm doing right now, in English.
Yes, your brain practices output, speaking, using English, and gets comfortable.
Comfortable English, not perfect English.
Exactly. Comfortable is the goal, not perfect.
I'll remember that. Comfortable, not perfect.
And there's another way to do output, writing.
Writing.
Yes, you can write to yourself in English, a small diary, a short note, just a few sentences every day, like, today I went to the shop. I bought bread. The bread was very good.
Simple, short English. That's easy. I can do that in the evening.
Writing is output too. Your brain practices English when you write.
So speaking and writing are both output.
Exactly. Use English in any way you can. Speak, write, think out loud. It all helps.
I'll speak to my coffee in the morning and write in my notebook at night.
Erika, you're the perfect English student, Marco.
Thank you. I try my best.
Okay, let's review the 3 tips.
Yes, review time.
Tip 1. Think in small sentences. Short sentences. Easy words.
Small sentences. I am sitting. I am tired. I am happy.
Perfect. Tip 2. Input. Listen to English, read English every day. Podcasts, songs, movies, books.
Input. English in.
And tip 3. Output. Speak English. Talk to yourself. Use what you know.
Output. English out. Talk to myself. Even in the kitchen.
Especially in the kitchen.
Hello, coffee. How are you today?
Perfect. Your coffee doesn't judge you.
My coffee is very kind.
One more thing. How much time do you need every day?
2 hours? 3 hours?
No, just a little. Every day, a little is enough.
How little?
10 minutes. 10 minutes every day is very good.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours on Saturday.
Why?
Because your brain learns through repetition, doing something again and again every day. That's how habits form. That's how language grows. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes every day. After 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, you'll feel the difference.
Small steps every day.
Exactly. Small steps every single day. That's the secret. It's like building a house, 1 brick every day.
I love that. 1 brick every day, and slowly you have a house. A beautiful English house.
And habits are important. Try to do it at the same time every day.
Same time. For example, every morning with my coffee, 10 minutes of English. Listen to a podcast, read a few sentences, talk to myself.
Coffee and English every morning. Marco's Morning English Coffee Time.
I love this plan. After 1 week, it feels normal. After 1 month, it feels easy. After 6 months, people will say, Marco, your English is so good.
And you'll say, thank you. I practiced with my coffee.
Perfect answer.
So that's all the time we have for today.
This was so helpful, Erika. Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you to everyone listening. Please give this episode a like. It helps us a lot. And share it with a friend who wants to speak English.
And we have a question for our wonderful listeners. Do you talk to yourself in English or in your native language? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
Remember, small sentences every day. A little is enough. Your brain is listening. Your brain is learning. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.